Install light fitting for showcase lighting.
Hi, my name is Charumati. At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to install and wire up the showcase window lighting for tie rack. Wire up a showcase window lighting to display clothes. Showcase lighting refers to lighting fixtures that are used to highlight and illuminate objects on display in a showcase or display case. The lighting is designed to draw attention to the objects, enhancing their visual appeal and making them more visible to the viewers. Showcase lighting can be used in a variety of settings, including museums, galleries, retail stores, and homes. There are several types of showcase lighting, including LED showcase lighting. LED lights are energy efficient and long lasting, making them a popular choice for showcase lighting. Halogen showcase lighting. Halogen lights are bright and emit a warm yellow light that can enhance the color of objects on display. Track lighting. Track lighting systems allow for adjustable positioning of lights to highlight specific objects or areas of a showcase. Today, we are going to learn about the installation of light fitting for showcase lighting.
Tools required. Insulated cutting pliers 150 mm, 1 number. Screwdriver set of 5, 1 number. Line tester 500 volt, 1 number. Electric hand drilling machine 6 mm, capacity 1 number. Materials required. Complete set of circle-line tube light 30 cm, 32 watts, 250 volt, 50 Hz with suitable shade and stand. 1 number. Complete set of 1200 mm fluorescent lamp fitting 40 watts, 250 volt, 50 Hz. 4 numbers. Wiring material. Now, follow the procedure and do the same. Task 1. Install and wire up the showcase window lighting for tie rack. Place a suitable sized plywood board in the base of the window with spaces. Locate the circle-line tube fitting with its stand in the proper position in the showcase so that the complete stand is visible from the window. Wire up in such a way that a 3-pin 5 amps socket is fitted in the inner side of the window. Mark the position of the stand base and drill a hole in the marked center to allow the circle-line tube cable to pass. Draw the cable through the hole and connect a 3-pin plug at the cable ends. Check the connections and connect the plug to the socket. Give supply and check the lighting for the tie rack. Task 2. Wire up the showcase window lighting for a mannequin, dummy figure used to display clothes. Note: the showcase needs 4 400 mm tube light fittings to be wired in parallel, and the tubes are hidden behind the frame. Draw the connection diagram and wire up the fluorescent tubes in concealed wiring. Prepare a suitable frame for 4 tube light fittings which are to be hidden behind the frame. Draw the connection diagram and wire up the 4 tube lights in parallel. Place a dummy figure at the center used to display the clothes. Get the supply and check for its functioning. 1, 2, 3 and 4 tube lights. Tubes and wiring are concealed in the frame. Indirect lighting of showcase window.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to install and wire up showcase window lighting for tie rack, to wire up a showcase window lighting to display clothes. We have also learned the purpose of installing showcase lighting and their various types. Thus, we have learned about the installation of light fitting for showcase. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.